Content marketing is the practice of connecting with consumers without making a direct sales pitch. Instead of selling your products or services, you supply your consumers with intelligence-enhancing information. The basis of this content strategy is the concept that businesses will be rewarded with customer business and loyalty if they provide them with consistent and relevant information. Let's explore why it is so important.
Brand awareness is the degree to which people recognize your brand, products, or services. Branded content is where you may provide information about your company and the reasons why consumers should purchase from you. Additionally, when you create carefully crafted content using search engine optimization, SEO, you'll move higher up the search engine rankings, meaning your brand is more likely to be seen by those searching for a product or service in your industry. Content marketing is also about establishing your company as an expert in your field. For example, an automotive company may share video posts where they review car brands and services. On the other hand, a dentist may run a blog on tooth care and disease. While this does have something to do with SEO, driving people looking to answer questions about your brand or industry, it is also about proving yourself an expert. Credible advice from subject matter experts fosters confidence and devotion. These experts enjoy continuous repeat business and referrals as a consequence. After all, consumers do not want to buy items or services from a corporation that understands little about what it sells. It's often the relationship formed through content marketing that drives action, rather than the marketing itself. People tend to follow and interact more openly with brands that create interesting and relevant content. A thoughtful email or a compelling blog post, for example, might be crucial touchpoints for bringing your content consumer closer to making a purchase. If you understand your audience, produce content that appeals to them, and interact with them genuinely when they reach out to you, you are certain to develop meaningful connections, earn trust, and acquire consumers. One of the best places to curate your content is on Facebook. On Facebook, you can share videos, images, and blog posts. You can also answer consumer questions in real time. So, whether you are disseminating information or sharing a meme to establish yourself, the metaverse has the tools you need. As of April of 2022, there were over 2.9 billion users on the platform. That means there is a lot of potential customers to reach with your content. So how do you get started? To engage your audience effectively, you must first identify who you are communicating with. Therefore, you must have some understanding of your brand's target demographic. 7 Social can help you with that. With hundreds of different criteria to pick from, we will assist you in creating a list of your potential consumers and marketing to them. Relevant postings are more likely to be liked and shared. Thus, it is essential for businesses to develop focused content. Posting material that really fascinates your consumers or clients is the key to building a successful page that attracts followers and advances your brand. You will strengthen your relationship with present and potential clients by giving them important information pertaining to your industry. While you should always try to tie your content back to your industry, posting on popular, current subjects is a fantastic strategy to expand your audience and enhance engagement. This not only increases your chances of appearing in feeds, but also increases the likelihood that others will comment on and share your content. Know when and how often to post. Post too often and customers will grow frustrated and bored. Post too little and your company may lose its credibility. Sharing behind-the-scenes images of your business is another excellent Facebook content option. There are several ways to accomplish this. Show how things are manufactured, introduce your staff, or add outtakes from earlier ads or marketing efforts. BTS content is powerful because it allows businesses to engage with their audiences in a real manner and develop trust. We've mentioned earlier the importance of using your content to boost SEO and showcase your expertise. One way to do this is by sharing posts from a blog your business runs. Blogging not only increases website traffic and promotes your products and services, but it also helps you establish credibility with prospective clients. Every time you produce a new article, you generate information that may be shared on social networks, such as Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, exposing your business to a new, possibly unfamiliar audience. Additionally, blog material helps maintain your social media presence. Instead of constantly requesting that your social media manager develop fresh material, your blog may function as a content vault. Engaging content builds an audience, and it makes a brand stand out. Who does not love seeing someone totally eviscerated by a fast food giant on social media or laughing at a funny video posted by their local dealership? Everything returns to the concept of social media as a discussion. Too frequently, brands repeat the same dialogue over and over again. These discussions are easily forgotten. You want your page to hold conversations that encourage users to converse more, not less. Don't be frightened to think creatively.
The best content marketing strategy of them all is turning to the experts, like 7 Social. Our team has personally overseen over $3 million in ad spend on these platforms and knows how to help deliver the results you expect. We have packages starting as low as $995 per month. With these packages, we will provide your business's Facebook page with 5 weekly posts that are on topic to drive engagement. This means you can leave all the work of creating a content marketing strategy to us, all for less than it would cost to hire a social media manager.